Hey everyone, and welcome back to Inner Vitality. I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're going to talk about something incredible, a tiny leaf you probably have in your kitchen right now. We're talking about curry leaves. You might think they're just for adding flavor to your food, but what if I told you that eating them regularly for just 15 days can completely transform your health? It's true, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why. So stick around because every single part of this is important for your well-being. Why are curry leaves a superfood? Many people don't realize that curry leaves are a powerhouse of nutrition. They're packed with vitamins A, B, C, and E, as well as iron, calcium, phosphorus, fiber, and a ton of different antioxidants. All these amazing components work together to make your body strong from the inside out. In just 15 days of eating them regularly, you'll start seeing and feeling the benefits. The 15-day transformation. What to expect? 1. Weight loss and better digestion. If you're trying to lose weight, curry leaves are like magic. The carbazole alkaloids in them help break down bad fats stored in your body. Chewing a few curry leaves on an empty stomach in the morning or drinking their juice can speed up your digestion and boost your metabolism. This makes losing weight much easier. They also help with common digestive issues like constipation, gas, and acidity. Glowing skin and healthy hair. Who doesn't want beautiful glowing skin and thick black hair? Curry leaves can give you both. The antioxidants in them cleanse your skin from the inside, helping to get rid of acne and dark spots. Regular use makes your skin brighter and smoother. For your hair, the benefits are amazing. The protein and beta-carotene in curry leaves reduce hair fall, strengthen hair roots, and make your hair long and thick. You can either grind the leaves and mix them with coconut oil for a hair mask, or simply start eating them. Blood sugar control. Diabetes is very common these days, and curry leaves are highly effective in managing it. The fiber in them helps control blood glucose levels. They also improve how your body uses insulin. If you are at risk for diabetes or already have it, eating curry leaves every morning can be very beneficial. Heart health. Keeping your heart healthy is crucial. Curry leaves help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL. The antioxidants they contain reduce the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Eating them regularly keeps your heart healthy and improves blood circulation. Boosted physical and mental energy. In our busy lives, both our physical and mental energy can run low. Curry leaves are a great source of iron, which increases hemoglobin levels in your blood. This helps fight weakness and fatigue. They also improve brain function and reduce mental stress. Regular consumption can boost your focus and memory. Improved sexual health. Sexual health is a very important part of life. Curry leaves are beneficial for both men and women. They help maintain hormonal balance. For men, they can help increase testosterone levels, which boosts libido and performance. For women, they also support hormonal balance and improve reproductive health. How to use them? The simplest way is to chew 5 to 6 fresh, clean curry leaves on an empty stomach every morning. If you find that difficult, you can blend them into a juice. You can also add curry leaves to your daily meals, like dals, curries, or salads. So, you see, the simple curry leaf in your kitchen can do wonders. Just try using it regularly for 15 days, and you will feel the changes in your body yourself. This transformation isn't just physical, it's a total improvement in your well-being. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Share this valuable information with your friends and family so they can also benefit. And of course, make sure to subscribe to our channel, Inner Vitality, for more amazing health tips and tricks. We release new videos every week to help you live your best life. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy and vibrant.